Welcome to Friends at Preparation YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss current affair MCQ. Let's start with first question. With reference to the public distribution system, consider the following statements. Under it, food grain are distributed at affordable price. It is central sector scheme. It is established under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Which of the statement given above are correct? Your options are A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is C 1 and 3 only. PDS has evolved as a system of management of scarcity through distribution of food grain at affordable price. Hence, statement 1 is correct. PDS is operated under the jointly responsibility of center and the state government. Next question. With reference to the Foreign Contribution Act 2010, consider the following statements. Under FCRA, organizations are required to register themselves every 5 years. FCRA is implemented by the Ministry of External Affairs. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Your options are option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is A 1 only. Under the Act, organizations are required to register themselves every 5 years. Hence, statement 1 is correct. FCRA is implemented by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. With reference to the National Human Rights Commission, consider the following statements. It is statutory body for the promotion of human rights in the country. It is empowered to act against the human right violation by government or private parties. The retired member of the commission are not eligible for further employment under the central or the state government. Which of the statements given above are correct? Your options are A 1 only, B 1 and 2 only, C 1 and 3 only, and D 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is C 1 and 3 only. The National Human Rights Commission was established under the Protection of Human Rights Act PHRA 1993 as amended by the Protection of Human Rights Act 2006. It is embodiment of India's concern for the promotion and protection of human rights. Next question. Which of the following can be used by the Reserve Bank of India to influence the value of rupees? Buying and selling US dollars, adjusting repo rate, adjusting liquidity ratio. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Your options are A 1 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 2 only, D 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is D 1, 2 and 3. The RBI can influence the rupee value by buying and selling US dollar. If the RBI wishes to increase the rupee value, then it can sell dollars, and when it need to be bring down rupees value, it can be buy dollars. With reference to the Indian Ocean Dipole, consider the following statements. Negative IOD refer to the warmer western basin of the Indian Ocean as compared to eastern basin. A positive IOD bring below average winter spring rainfall to southern and central Australia. Which of the statement given above are not correct? Your options are A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is A 1 only. Negative IOD refer to the warmer eastern basin of the Indian Ocean as compared to the western basin. It is positive when the western basin is warmer than the eastern. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. A positive IOD brings below average winter spring rainfall for southern and central Australia, and the more severe fire season of the Southeast Australia, hence statement 2 is correct. You can utilize this video by giving the answers in the comment box. Do subscribe this channel, Friends at Preparation, for more such kind of educational video.